Hey guys, we're going to watch iPhone 6 ringtones makes ants dance in a circle to Drake. So let's get on to the video. Ringtone Remixes made this video. Wow. Then we're going to watch Message from God. Funny Ringtones by Wario 105.
Your mama's calling back for no real reason but just to chat.
Gerald
She'll waste your minutes talking about the cat.
Hold on. Gerald Hernandez made this.
Or about how your dad has gotten fat. Well, I picked up. Don't pick up the phone. She's your mama. 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 Don't pick up the phone.
This is kind of bad to people that had a mom that died and a dad that died. Yeah. So if that happened, you probably don't want to watch this video.
It's your mom.
She can.
Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up!
Okay, that wasn't really rap.
You have a message from God. Sorry, but no one's available to answer your call at this time. If you'd like to leave a message, please wait for the beep. Then press pound, press 3, then dial your name. Then press 6 and dial your number. Then press star, press 69, ask for extension 4443, and leave your name and message. If you want to leave your number and the time you called, please press star twice. Bark like a dog, spin in a circle, press 1 26 times, and wait for the beep. And thanks for...
How would you like to go see the school counselor?
How would you like to suck my balls?
What did you say?
I'm sorry. Actually, what I said was... How would you like to suck my balls, Mr. Garrison? Holy shit, dude.
That was funny. So there you go.